Man, we've been listening to Compa the whole ride.
Oh man,
Bro.
why you always got something to
Bro.
say about the pump out, man?
Majority Haitian in the car.
Please.
Okay. You okay? All right. Okay.
I know that I let you down. It's too late to say sorry now.
Say no. That's it.